In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy code from the Perplexity app on your iPhone and paste it into another app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look for, and how to keep your formatting intact so you can move code quickly into Notes, Xcode, or any editor you prefer. First, open the Perplexity app on your iPhone. Make sure you're viewing the specific answer that includes a code block. You'll recognize a code block by its distinct styling. It usually appears in a shaded box with monospaced text, and it may show a language label at the top. If your conversation has multiple answers, scroll to the one that contains the code you want to use. Now locate the exact code block you want to copy. Take a second to confirm it's the correct snippet, especially if the answer includes more than one block. When you've found it, look toward the top right corner of that code box. You'll see a small icon that looks like two overlapping squares. That's the copy button. Tap it once. After you tap, you should see a confirmation, such as a brief copied message. That means the entire block, including line breaks and indentation, is now on your clipboard. You don't need to drag to select anything. The button grabs the full code block for you, which helps avoid missed lines or broken formatting. Next, switch to the app where you want to paste the code. You can use Notes for quick storage, Xcode for compiling and testing, or any text editor you like. Open your document or create a new one. Tap in the editing area to place the cursor, then press and hold to bring up the paste menu and choose Paste. On recent versions of iOS, you might see a prompt asking to allow the app to paste content from Perplexity. If so, approve it so the paste can complete. After pasting, skim the code to make sure indentation and special characters look correct. If your editor supports code formatting, it should preserve the structure. If the text looks odd in a rich text note, consider switching that note to plain text or using a monospaced style to keep everything aligned. If nothing appears after pasting, try tapping the copy icon again to refresh your clipboard, and make sure you tapped inside the code block's copy button area. Keeping the Perplexity app up to date also helps ensure the copy feature works smoothly. That's all there is to it. Open Perplexity, go to the answer with the code block, tap the copy icon, and paste into the app of your choice.